Thank you. Hey guys, I'm gonna teach you how to ride a bike. So I too was a beginner once, and by once I mean about 4 months ago. And I since then did a lot of riding on this guy over here. This is a Yamaha XJ6 2014 model. It's a 4 inline. You don't care about any of this. Why am I even telling you this? Anyway, cut the shit out if it's too long. A bike. Imagine someone gives you a key. Like, here you go. Here's the keys to your bike. Go ride it. But you want to ride it properly. So how do you do it? Well, let's start things from scratch, right? So let's say you got your bike. Let me sit on mine. I swing my leg over and I sit on it. Or you can do it many different ways. I didn't notice at the beginning. I thought if I'm going to stand on the peg, it's going to fall over. Hold the front brake, stand on the peg, and just get on the bike. And that's it. Yeah, so how do you ride? Where's the clutch? Where's the everything? So you see a lot of stuff. Most of the shit that you see here is not relevant. We're going to focus on the mirrors first. So make sure you can look behind you. So important. And don't be an idiot riding without mirrors. I mean, that's at your own risk, but I'm just telling you, you need to be able to see, because these people, they can't see you. So just make sure you do see them, okay? This guy right here, this is your throttle. Okay, don't be doing this, because your neighbors are gonna hate you. So this is your throttle. You pull it back, and you accelerate. This is your front brake. The front brake gives 70% of the braking power. Now, where's the other 30%, you may ask? Is right here. This lever over here, you push it. You see it? This guy over here. You push it with your toes, not with your heels. That's your rear brake. And that's the remaining 30%. Then what is this lever? This is your gear shifter. It's sequential, so it goes, this is neutral, first gear is down, and then second gear, third gear, fourth. This bike has 6 gears, so you go up. But yeah, to be able to shift, you need a clutch. That's where this other guy comes in. This is your clutch. You pull this in, you go in first gear, you let go. That's it. Pull it in, go neutral, let go. See? This guy, gear indicator, your horn, high beams. By the way, you need to test this shit out too. Usually you're supposed to test it every ride, but then again, I ride this thing every day. So this red button right here, that's the kill switch. It's very important, because in case you crash, hopefully it'll never happen to you, you want to turn the bike off immediately. But this thing will turn the bike off. So now right now it's on the off position with the cross. It will turn the bike off, but all the electronics are going to still be on. But I can use the lights, which is very important, or the alarm lights. So as a beginner, you have all these nervous thoughts like, oh my god, I'm gonna turn the bike on for the first time. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, this is how you turn the bike, actually turn it on. Like if I put the kill switch in the on position and I turn this on, now the bike is on. That's it. And you can throttle. See, that's the throttle. To go forward, see how it's in neutral? So modern bikes have gear indicators. The modern bikes have gear indicators, this one doesn't. And chances are your bike might not have it either, if it's not like a brand new bike, and that's fine. Don't go buying those cheap AliExpress gear indicators. Just count in your head. When you actually start riding, you're not gonna wanna look on your dashboard anyway all the time. So anyway, god damn it, I need to refuel this shit. It's fine. There's a gas station behind that tree, literally. Like I said, you go left, same thing. Alarm lights, like it does turn on, see? There you go. You got your high beams. If you want to turn them on like all the time, you just press this one, you get a blue light. If you just want to like bleep it, like with your finger, this is the one I use, because it's like a combination of the dim light with the high beams that does that, and it also shows the same light. And this is your horn. Let me not do that, because I don't want to be a dickhead. Let me see if there's no cars behind me. So I'm gonna hold in the clutch, go in the first gear. You can hear it too. It does that noise. See? So if I do it again, then if I let go of the clutch, the bike wants to move forward. That's the friction zone. See? Now if I let go of the clutch, this will happen. Oops. You just killed the bike. And you want to turn it on like a noob, but you're in first gear. First go into neutral, and then turn it back on again. Because if you're in gear and you want to turn it on, it's not going to turn on unless you hold in the clutch. It's the same principle. Like when you're in gear, you have to hold in the clutch, right? So I'm gonna hold in the clutch, go in first gear, check there's no car behind me. I'm gonna let go slowly and give a little bit of throttle. See? And now I'm riding. And I'm making sure there's no one behind me, and I'm gonna turn. There we go. And you can go in second gear now at this point. But let's not do that. Oh, this really takes me back to, you know what, I'll actually go to the square where I was taught how to ride a bike. There was this big field, basically, like this, and cars can't park over there. It's way better. Anyway, so that's how you ride a bike. Be very gentle with anything, like with the throttle. If you don't want to do this, because it'll jerk you forward. And trust me, when you're on a roundabout or on a corner and you do that shit, it could be the difference between you standing up straight and laying on the ground. So don't do that, okay? Hopefully you learned something from this video. If you want me to do a more in-depth video about how to ride, how to use a clutch, you know, some of the stuff, put a comment down, you know, and subscribe. It'll help out the channel, because goddamn, man, I only got 20 subs. No one is subscribing to this content. And I'll also record a video regarding like the whole shebang of things that I learned riding for almost 4 months straight as a beginner biker, and going into, you know, uncharted territories for myself, like riding in the rain, riding at night with drunk people behind you, riding in the rain at night with drunk people behind you. I could go on and on. So yeah, that's it.